Hello friends, in this video lectures uh, I will make this 3D drawing in the creo. So without wasting any time, let's just get started. So click on new, click on parts, OK. Here select the plane display. Click on this plane and type S. Then make the normal view, in which you have to make the rectangle 130 by 75 mm. So make the rectangle 130 75. Okay, click on extrude, give the dimension 15 mm. Okay, double click here, give the dimension 15, click on OK. We will make the sketch here on the bottom side. Click on this plane and press S. Again create the normal view. We will make the rectangle in which the width is 15 mm. Go in the rectangle, make a rectangle, give the dimension here 15 mm. Click on OK. Click on extrude. The depth is 18 mm. Double click here. Give the depth 18. Click on OK. Here we are not displaying this plane, so our geometry looks good. Then we will create this upper rectangle part. Click on this plane. Press S. Take the normal view. Make the rectangle. Make the rectangle. Click on dimension. Give the dimension and delete this constraint and give the dimension 15 mm. Click on OK. Click on extrude. The height is 75 minus 15 minus 18. So give the dimension here 75 minus 18 minus 15. Click on OK. Likewise, you can create the parts. The next is we have to create this part. For making this part, we will go here, press S, take the normal view. We will make one center line, go on the center line, create one center line for the references. Then we will make the two rectangles. Give the dimension, whatever dimension you require. So this much dimension is ready. Click on the modify. Click here, click here, click here, click here. Open this part, drag it, give the dimension. Here the first is 11.38, that is 12. So here give the dimension 12. Then the second is 19.57, that is 15 mm. So 15. The next is 0.5. Which dimension is this? SD2. The next dimension is this 43. So 43, and again this dimension is 10 mm. So 10 mm. Click on OK. So likewise you can create the dimension. Again click on this and give the dimension in which there is the constraint is already applied. So this is the model new method for giving the dimensions. The next is we have to extrude it up to lower portion. Click on OK. Click on extrude. Give on the other give the other direction. The next is it is extrude up to the one plane. Select the surface. This. Click on OK. Again I am deleting it. Here there is a sketch. Click on the extrude. Give the other dimension, and the extrude height is 75. So double click here and give 75. Click on OK. So likewise you can create an extrude commands. The next is we have to create one rib here. For making the rib, here the center plane is required. So for making a plane, click on the plane or press P. Select this surface and select another uh, and select the another plane and press on OK. So likewise the middle plane is created. For displaying the middle plane, click on the plane geometry. Click here, press S, take the normal position, go in the references, select this and solve. Close it, make the line, one line here, click on OK, go in the profile rib, give the another directions. Here the width is 12 mm. So give the dimension 12, click on OK. Go in this menu and turn off the display of the plane. Likewise you can create a rib. The next is we have to create an hole. Here the dimension of the hole is 10 mm, and for making an hole the hole height is 30 mm from this side, and here the other dimension is 15 mm. So we will go in the hole, we will make the hole here. So Give the dimension here. The whole dimension is 10 mm. Okay, Control Z. 10 mm. So for the depth of cut is up to next. Drill up to next, or throw hole. The next is give the dimension here 15 mm. 15 and okay. Select this axis and this axis. Here it is 42. It is height is 42. Here the height is 13. So Control Z. 42 minus 30. Click on OK. So likewise you can create an hole. Click on OK. So this first hole is ready. The next is make the second hole here. Click on hole. Click here. Give the dimension is 13. Click here. Give these two edges. Here the dimension is 20 and height is 30. So 20. Here this dimension, the vertical dimension is 42 minus 30, and likewise click on OK. So you can create this two hole here. The next is we have to make the one hole here. The dia is 16 mm. So click on the hole, give the diameter 16, click here, make the two references. One reference is this edge, another reference is this edge. So one reference is this edge, the another reference is this edge. Give the dimension here. The first is 15. The second dimension is 15 mm. Double click here and give the dimension 15. Okay. So likewise the third hole is ready. The next is create the fourth hole here. The diameter is same 16 mm. Click on the hole. Dia is 16 mm. It is up to the next. Click here. Give two references. The first reference is this line. The second reference is this line. Okay. This is the first reference. This is the second reference. And the dimension is 15 mm for both. Double click here. Give the dimension 15. Double click here. Give the dimension 15. Dia is 16. Click on OK. Likewise, you can create an multiple holes here. So our model is ready. So in today's lecture, we have seen the extrude command. We have seen the how to create the middle plane. We have seen the how to create the profile rib. and we have seen how to create the different holes. So guys, for more updates, subscribe and share. Thank you very much.